Winterfell is so cold, and Jon Snow, well, we're never meant to be. I want you to go and explore the city. Since you complain that your camera is bad at taking videos because of lack of stability, I have prepared a Valerian tool for you. By the way, I'm Queen Dany from Game of Thrones, but Asian version. So, I have prepared you a gimbal for your camera. This gimbal, Zhiyun Crane Plus. The reason why I got this for you is because it's light. So go take this gimbal and film something amazing. When I first thought about actually doing this video, I thought, oh, gimbal, a perfect gadget for Sony A6400. But after about an hour using it, actually my heart is still beating fast and my arm actually feels slightly sore. And also Zhiyun Crane was one of the lightest gimbal out there. And this is sort of conclusion only for the novice who have never used a camera gimbal before, just like me. And for the pro videographers, I have huge respect for you, and I know most of you guys have the bicep size of my sleeves, right? Will I ever carry this to my travel? I think my answer is no. I mean, you're trying to like move it around and so on. I'm holding it like this. It's really actually quite heavy. And I actually realized just holding it with Joby is so much lighter than the gimbal, because gimbal of course has battery. Anyway, I really want to know what you guys think about and what your experience with the camera gimbal is. This is just my thought, and of course if video is ever so important to you, the quality you get with the camera is of course much better than some smaller sensor camera. Hope you guys found it useful, even though the gimbal movement was very simple. If you enjoyed the footage from here, then please give thumbs up. Do subscribe to my channel. See you!